Is it necessary to use a toner after scrubbing?
Welcome to today's video. Today we'll be discussing whether it's necessary to use a toner after scrubbing. Skincare routines can be complex, and it's important to understand the role of each product. Let's dive into this topic.
What is a toner and what does it do?
Toners are liquid-based skincare products that are designed to balance your skin's pH level, tighten pores, and remove any remaining dirt or makeup after cleansing. They can also hydrate and refresh your skin, making it feel smoother and more supple.
What is scrubbing and what does it do?
Scrubbing, also known as exfoliating, is the process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. This helps to prevent clogged pores and promote cell turnover, resulting in a brighter complexion and smoother skin texture.
Is it necessary to use a toner after scrubbing?
The answer to this question depends on your skin type and personal preference. If you have dry or sensitive skin, using a toner after scrubbing might not be necessary, as it could cause irritation or dryness. In this case, it's best to follow up with a moisturizer or serum to keep your skin hydrated. For those with oily or acne-prone skin, using a toner after scrubbing can help to remove any remaining impurities and control excess oil production. Make sure to choose a gentle, alcohol-free toner to avoid irritation. If you have combination skin, you may benefit from using a toner on your oily areas, such as the T-zone, and avoiding it on drier areas of your face.
Benefits of using a toner after scrubbing.
If you decide to use a toner after scrubbing, you can expect the following benefits. 1. Balanced skin pH levels. After exfoliating, your skin's pH level can be disrupted. A toner can help to balance it out, maintaining a healthy skin barrier. 2. Smoother and more radiant skin. By removing any remaining dead skin cells and impurities, a toner can help to enhance the effects of exfoliation, leaving your skin looking brighter and feeling smoother. 3. Improved absorption of other skincare products. By removing any residue left on your skin, a toner can improve the absorption of your moisturizer, serum, or other skincare products, making them more effective. To sum it up, it's not absolutely necessary to use a toner after scrubbing, but it can offer some benefits depending on your skin type and preference. It's important to choose the right toner for your skin type and to listen to your skin's needs when deciding whether to incorporate it into your skincare routine. Don't forget to patch test any new product to make sure your skin reacts well to it. Happy scrubbing and toning!